guys? You didn't really think I was gonna take a Monty to a Buick meet. Come on now, you know better than that. Let's take the T-tops off this thing and cruise.
Cruising down the street like a rolling stone. Pretty little boy far away from home.
Alright, now we're ready to roll. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day. We got the T-tops off. We are cruising. So we're headed up to Hamilton, New Jersey. We're gonna meet the Magnet crew for a little impromptu cars and I should call it Buicks and coffee. So hopefully we got a few guys out today to catch up. But again, it's very impromptu. Just wanted to get out because the weather was gonna be nice. And did you really think I was gonna bring a Monte Carlo to a Buick meet? Not today, but maybe someday. But all right, Dunkin' Donuts is up here on the left. Let's go up here and see who's up here and get some coffee because I need some caffeine. All right, see you there. Gotta love when you're the first one here and it's 10:01. Oh well. Oh, yep. It looks like there's another one pulling in. Who do we got here? I literally just backed into my spot, so we're waiting. Oh, I think we got Paulie. Let's see. Yeah, buddy. He's got the WH1 out. Looking good. That sounds like a race car. Looks like a race car too. Whoa. Spooling up in reverse. So all the wannabes are out, but there's no Grand Nationals here so far. WH1, WE4, WE4, Turbo, T-Type, and another WE4.
What you say, can't get enough of you. If you show me yours, I will show you mine. Always in the mood.
All right, let's go get some coffee. All right, so we're gonna do a RACER install here at Dunkin' Donuts at Buicks and Coffee. So we're gonna do it before, engine off.
The other one's slower.
All right, so there was a full up and down. All right, so doing a live install.
You had too much of me in the last video, dude.
Oh, stop.
It made me sick.
You were famous, YouTube famous.
Yeah, huh?
Oh, under there.
Find that fuse up in the top there. Pull it out. Stick this one in.
The only thing I don't like is how big that box is.
No, it don't
It's
matter.
huge.
Yeah, but there's room for it. There's plenty of room here.
You get Alki controllers and all types of crazy stuff up in the dash.
Get rid of the alarm system. They're going to steal your car anyway.
I don't have an alarm. We gotta throw it on the ground too.
What? No, you gotta do that. Put the
Put
fuse
that
in.
one back in.
You gotta make sure you get the contacts in there. If you miss the contacts, it's never gonna stay in. It's gonna fall right out. It should be nice and snug. If it's loose, you miss the contacts. And then this, usually just take the screw out of here.
So all you really need for the install is a screwdriver.
Oh, this is a 9/32 just to take off the...
Okay, 9/32 to take off the
hush
underdash.
panel.
Yeah.
And then you got to attach your ground screw. He tells you to put it on a lamp connector, but I don't like that one because I seen them loose and then you're screwed. All right, so this one, if it comes out of this car, fighting me. And yeah, and there's already an Alki kit in here taking up room.
Oh, you have an Alki kit under here?
Yeah. Not that it matters. So you got the long screw. It'll fit through the little tiny hole that he gives you. You can't really put the 10mm screw in there that you'd like to for the ground, but let's just go in the fuse holder bolt.
So it's in all reality a 10-minute install. If
Well,
that.
has it been 10 minutes?
No,
If
but I'm
it's-
just saying, if you're that simple-minded, it
Yes.
should only take you 10 minutes.
Maybe. Now, that's that. That's that. I think. Unless I missed something. No, that's it. We'll check that gets in there. I don't know why. I don't have an LED. I'm supposed to have an LED here.
It was because the key's off?
Nah, it shouldn't matter. Oh, LED now.
Okay, so
439 flows past.
Because it's power windows.
so the LED will light up once you ignition on.
Yeah, because the power windows are not on a live circuit. Power
Okay,
door lock.
hold on, let me go. All right, so we got it install. Wow, look at that. I would say that's,
Here's the other one. You gotta put it back down.
there you go.
All right, from the top, down. 1, 2, 3.
So a little bit more than 3 seconds.
1, 2.
There's your turbo
Both
window
windows.
racer installed. 10 minutes, and it works. And if you have an Astro roof, it'll work with that too, right?
It's the same circuit, yeah.
Nice. Who sells them? G-Body?
G-Body parts.
G-Body
Brian's
parts.
the man.
We got it installed. Wow, look at that. All right, guys, that's it for the Buick and Coffee Meet here in Hamilton, New Jersey, Dunkin' Donuts. Got to catch up with a few of the guys. Not a single Grand National to be held, but we did have 3 WE4s, 1 WH1, and 1 86T type. But all in all, good time. But now we're gonna head home and go get some stuff done at the house. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more future content. Thanks for watching, guys.